Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to share a Google Drive link on Facebook so you can send it to your friends so they can edit or download it and stuff like that, or a lot of people are using it for schoolwork right now. Anyhow, for whatever your reason is, this is how you send Google Drive links and share them on Facebook. So all you have to do is head over to your Google Drive application and open that up. And then you want to find an image or a video or file that you want to send over to a friend on Facebook. So you want to click on the three dots whenever you find the file that you want to send. So just click on the three dots, and then you want to ensure that you click on the link sharing off. So what this is going to do when you click on it is it's going to turn the link sharing on for that file, as well as copying the link for you. So now once that's done, you'll notice that on the bottom that it says that, and then it says the viewers of this file can see comments and suggestions as well. So once you have that done, you want to exit out of here and go over to Facebook and open that up. And then you just want to go over to your Messenger application just to send the link to your friends. Click on the chat that you want to send it to, and then go over and long press on the chat option. And then it will give you an option to paste. So you want to go ahead and click on paste, and then you can go ahead and send it. And then if you notice, once it's sent, you can click on the link, and then it will open up the Google Drive application with the picture. And your friends can now download it, edit it, and do whatever they need to do to that file. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to share Google Drive links to Facebook. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.